Hi everybody, I'm Lassalle, CIO, Chief Information Officer of JLS Technology USA. JLS Technology is a top 50 MSSP worldwide. That's a managed security service provider. We also do digital transformation projects. The benefits of a nearshore partner like Digital Hype are plentiful. You got the benefits of time zones, right? So they can maintain a more regular time zones, right, to North America because they're based in Mexico, right? The other thing is they have facilities and the capabilities to come on site quickly as necessary, right? Besides that, I've never had an issue with their work delivery, the work product, the communication, both written, orally, reports, presentations to executive staff, executive leadership, right? So definitely highly recommend Digital Hype to anyone looking for that kind of software delivery service and that kind of partner that's needed. In closing, Digital Hype is a great option, a great partner. Make sure that you check them out if you have any software development, e-commerce, mobile development projects in your near future. Make sure to invite them to bid on your RFPs. You will not be disappointed, and I'm pretty sure that they will win your RFPs and deliver an exceptional product. With that said, I definitely invite you guys to check out Digital Hype. Also, check out the work they've done. Go to jlstech.com. They built the entire website. They built our platform. Great team, and you won't be disappointed. Thanks.